Hi, guys, welcome to this session of function, also termed as built-in formulae, in a spreadsheet software like Excel or Calc. Functions in spreadsheet software. Functions are pre-built formulas that perform specific calculations, manipulate data, or automate tasks. Functions are used to simplify complex calculations and make spreadsheet tasks more efficient. Excel offers a wide range of functions categorized into various groups, such as mathematical, statistical, logical, text, date and time, financial, lookup and reference, and more. Syntax of function. The syntax of a function in Excel refers to the structure and order of its components, including the function name, arguments, and any optional parameters. Syntax equals function name, argument 1, argument 2. Equals. All Excel functions begin with an equal sign, equal symbol, to indicate that it's a formula. Function name. This is the name of the function you want to use. Examples include sum, average, if etc. Equals. All Excel functions begin with an equal sign, equal symbol, to indicate that it's a formula. Function name. This is the name of the function you want to use. Examples include sum, average, if etc. Continuing with the syntax of the function, parentheses are used to enclose the function's arguments. Arguments. These are the values, cell references, or ranges that the function operates on. Functions may have 0 or more arguments, depending on their requirements. Arguments. These are the values, cell references, or ranges that the function operates on. Arguments are separated by commas, comma symbol. The colon symbol, operator specifies the range of cells. XA1, A10 means all cells from A1 to A10 cells. Range are used to refer to a group of cells. Types of function. Mathematical functions. The basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Examples include sum, average, round, ABS, and SQRT. Logical functions. A logical function evaluates to true or false. Examples include if, and or, not, and if error. Continuing with type of functions in Excel. Text functions. Text functions manipulate text strings with the following operations: to extract specific characters, to convert text to uppercase or lowercase, to combine text strings, to find a text within a string. Examples on text function include concatenate, left, right, mid, upper, lower, and find. Date and time functions. The functions that handles date and time values. It includes calculations for adding or subtracting days, months, or years to determine the current date and time. To format dates and times. To extract components like day, month, or year. Examples include today, now, date, time, year, month, day. Now let's practically check and learn using the different functions in different categories of the function. Starting with mathematical functions. Let's enter some numbers to be used as arguments or parameters as inputs to a function. Recall, arguments to be separated by comma. Using sum function with individual cells values as arguments. Then using sum function with range of cells as arguments. The colon is used as a range operator. Sum function with range of cells as arguments. The colon is used as a range operator. Now, using average, min, and max function to find the average of number, min is used to get the minimum of the range of numbers. Also, max function is used to get the maximum. sqrt function to find the square root of a number given as argument. Now mathematical functions are tested. Let's proceed with the logical functions. Logical functions. A logical function evaluates to true or false. Examples include if, and or, not, and if error. Here a function is explored in depth. It is used to take a decision based on a condition that evaluates to true or false. The if function takes 3 arguments. The first argument is condition that evaluated to true or false. If true, then second argument is the return value of the if function. If false, then third argument is the return value of the if function. Let's enter 2 numbers. Now use if function to display the maximum of the 2 numbers. Check result by changing number. It should work for both conditions. Text functions. Text functions manipulate text strings with the following operations: to extract specific characters, to convert text to uppercase or lowercase, to combine text strings, to find a text within a string. Examples include concatenate, left, right, mid, upper, lower, and find. Left function takes 2 arguments. The first argument is the text or cell address that contain text. The second argument, the number of characters to be extracted from the left. Similarly, right function does the opposite. The upper and lower function changes the case of the text or contents of the cell passed as an argument to it. The concatenate function concats or joins the string or text passed to it as arguments. Date and time functions. The functions that handles date and time values. It includes calculations for adding or subtracting days, months, or years, to determine the current date and time, to format dates and times, to extract components like day, month, or year. Examples include today, now, date, time, year, month, day. Today functions return today's date. It can be formatted as required. Now function returns today's date with current time. Date function takes 3 arguments year, month, and day to return as date. Guys, you need not remember the syntax of the function. The Excel provide the syntax of all the functions. Click on FX to insert a function. It displays a dialog box which can be used to check all the categories and the functions with the syntax of each function in the different categories. The different categories can be explored as seen here. Suppose if function is selected from the logical function categories. Its three arguments can be specified using the following dialog box. Thank you, guys, for watching the video. Please visit my blog for details.